What's up, people? My name's Jack. This right here is how to make any project 10 times better. Now, that seems like an exaggeration, but honestly, it's not. I'm going to tell you guys about an amazing website that I've been using for over a year now, a year, 2 years, something like that, really since I've been in the freelance game, at least 2 years actually, that basically enables me to go to this website and find some amazing stuff to take that project, bring it to a whole nother level of quality, just by adding a couple finishing touches to it through this website. The website I'm talking about is Envato Elements. In essence, they are a premium asset website. We all love editing packs. I launched Creator Dashboard the other week, right? Which is basically giving you guys free little packs, free little templates, stuff like that. We all like pre-made stuff that can make our stuff better. And basically what they are is a subscription website. You subscribe for a flat fee per month, and then you get unlimited downloads on what is literally millions of premium assets. Say you're editing a client video and you need a couple kind of cool finishing touches to the video. Maybe it's some dope motion graphics or something that are in the style of the video you're creating, or maybe it's an awesome intro or outro. Whatever the case may be, Envato Elements has got you covered. Let me break down a project I did last year. It was for a car dealership in Torquay in England. Pretty much, I put a promo video together for some cars they were giving away, and using Envato Elements, I was able to source some really nice 10 out of 10 motion graphics, which were called racing titles. So obviously they fit the aesthetic of the car video perfectly. I was able to reinforce the message with those racing titles on the video, and then right at the end of the video, I was able to get an amazing 10 out of 10 outro template from Envato Elements with some racing flags, which were again in the style of cars. And basically that's one example to show you how I was able to add two little small stylistic things from Envato Elements to a client project over a year ago. And in my experience, it made that client project up its quality level just by adding those final few touches. So you've probably gathered by that spiel and how positively I just spoke about Envato that we're sponsored by Envato. Big up to Envato Elements for sponsoring today's video, but they've just sponsored me and I've been paying for their website for quite some time before this, so you can rest assured this is 10 out of 10 something I actually endorse. I've recommended over DMs to a lot of you guys personally to get this website. I'm sure some of you are watching this right now like, oh, that's the website Jack told me to get last week. It is the website Jack told you to get last week, and for you guys who don't know about the site, sign up down below. And if you don't want to sign up, let me reinforce why you should sign up a little bit better by jumping over onto the actual website itself. All items here at the top is the first thing I want to bring your attention to. We have all items, stock footage, video templates, which is where I spend most of my time in Envato, music, sound effects, graphic templates if you're a graphic designer, presentation templates if you're out here presenting some stuff, fonts, photos, add-ons, literally it goes on and on. You've got 3D stuff for my designers out there if you guys need 3D elements. Maybe it's cars, maybe it's microphones if you're designing some stuff for artists or whatever. Pretty much I want to start with my favorite section and work our way down, right? Video templates. Let's click video templates and let's search. They have over 20,400 templates that you can use. I'll just literally hover over the templates because they give you nice little previews. More or less, this stuff right here is 10 out of 10. It's literally premium stuff. Like you guys know, I give away sort of not premium stuff over on Creator Dashboard. Some of it's dope, some of it's all right, right? This stuff, pretty much everything's 10 out of 10. You got the SEO optimization, 25 animated icons. That actually might be pretty useful for me. All these dope pre-made stuff that you can actually tap into. That's the video template side. Let me show you how much stock footage they have. I recommended this the other day. Nearly 1 million premium stock footages. And obviously you search by anything. So you search Apple and, just like that, we've got Apple's, great free stock footage. I think I recommended this website to one of you guys the other day when you said you needed a website for top 10 videos. And I said, hey, this is about as good stock footage as it gets. If you want some really crazy stuff for top 10 videos for clients, boom, check this one out. This should be solid for you. And overall, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory at this point. I'm sure you guys are understanding. This is a premium asset website. It is killer. There's loads of music on here as well, so you can get yourself background music. Also, every single thing you saw in this entire video right here was sourced from Envato Elements. Video template-wise, video templates, they've got loads of stuff. You can get presets, whatever the case may be. Type in presets, 70 glitch animation presets, no plugin, easy to change colors. Literally, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. At this point, I'm kind of a broken record. I feel as though I just want to put I want to put it in your hand now. Say, look, listen, link is down below. Sign up or just click on the site, enter the website, have a look around. I've been pitching this to you guys for a little while, actually, before they sponsored me. They've sponsored me, so now here we are. Envato Elements, how to make any project 10 times better. It could make it 20 times better. It could make it 2 times better. It could make it 42 times better. Either way, your project's improved through this website right here, envatoelements.com or envato.elements.com. Link down below, and hell to the yeah, that's how we do it. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. How to improve your next project massively. This is how, personally, I showed you first-hand examples of how I'm using on a consistent basis to make my projects better, whether they be client projects, YouTube projects, ShnooTube projects, all of the above. Envato's got you covered. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a nice day, and I'll see you, over on Envato.